Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Imal and in this video I'm gonna be giving you guys my inventory tour. So yeah, also my inventory is not like the best inventory, but I think it's pretty good. So yeah, let's start with the houses first. I think so I don't have a lot of houses. I'll show to you guys which houses I have. I have my mansion, I have the luxury apartments and the futuristic house. I sold my starter ones because I don't know, I just didn't need it. And I should buy another one and decorate it myself, but when I had this starter one, I was just like, nah, who cares about that? Okay, yeah, so let's move on to the gifts. As all of you guys can see, I don't have any gifts because I'm the most impatient person and I open them always. And let's go to toys. Let's scroll all the way down, and you can see we have my trading license, which is very important, my badge. We have this creepy teddy bear. It is definitely one of the first toys in docking because it's very creepy. We have three of these sun balloons and a lot of sticks. I just had 100 of them and just gave them away to random people because I don't know, like if you have this big tube on thingy. A lot of these soccer throw ball toys thing. Yeah, soccer balls. And I love this snowball launcher. Right? It shoots snowball. I think that's really funny. Like I'm shooting snowballs everywhere. Yeah, snowball fight. Okay, never mind. Okay, and then I have two of the rattles. One is pink. One's like a very bright red. Blood red. Okay, never mind. I have the poker sticks. Zipping lead zeppelin. And no, I'm not sorry. The balloon thingies. Ice cream rattle. A few of the we have them huggable pillows. They're kind of plushes, but they're not. I don't know. I had a lot of these. I also traded them. I have a frisbee umbrella. I don't know. It's an umbrella frisbee. This confuses me, but okay. I've never really seen one, so I think it's pretty rare. And I have this eyeball rattle. I think it's rare. Is it from Christmas? I don't remember where it is from, but yeah, it's pretty rare. I have celestial leash, two of these. Drum. I think where is it from? Is it from the login streaks? Let me check. Yeah, it is from my login streak. Oh, I never realized. Okay, I'm a musician. I have these sparklers. They're from the campsite shop. I'll show you guys these at night because you cannot see them right now. Protein milkshake, rattles, rubber dog balloon, princess rattles. This is really fancy. Like it needs to be very fancy. It's very fancy. We have these plate of food dishes. I think they're really cute with the ketchup and burgers and fries. A mouse leash, mouse chew toy, and flying saucer disc, and some flashlights. Cause why not? They help a lot of night. I think it's kind of nice, like a really nice thing to have an adopt me. Drone propellers, and I really like this rattle. It like glows. When it's nighttime, it looks so nice. It's the crystal ball rattle. It's very nice. I love it. It's very pretty. You have some controller balloons. You have burgle balloons. And what's like the point of balloons? I just don't get it. But yay, I'm floating. Just kidding. We have these. These are really nice. I like them. Oh, you just throw them on water and then you can float on water. Yeah, that's cool. And we have these space grappling hooks from the gift refresh. Most of those are from the gift refresh. And yeah, I think this is from the fossil yeah, amber bone. We have a potato chew toy. I only have one and it's super duper cute and super nice. I just love it so much. Rope chew toys, and we have the fire magic wand fire grappling hook, frostbite graffle, which matches one of my pets. I'm not going to show you right now. The dog leash, we have the Da Vinci propeller from the login streaks, the shuttle pogo stick. Why isn't showing? My game is glitching. Okay, now. Yeah, I think it's like a more like a vehicle. I don't know. You can like walk. I don't know. Okay, never mind. You have a lot of these plunger grappling hooks. I think they're really nice. Who needs a vehicle when you have these? Boom! I'm here. I'm gonna go there back. I'm here again. I really like these. And okay, we have these magic house doors, which is very very helpful. I got one from trade, and remember what I traded for it? Yeah, like you can go to your house from anywhere. Just take that down. Although I'm in a private server. Okay, never mind. We have the lime slice propeller. I think it's very summery looking and nice. Yeah. Oh, okay. I have the monkey propeller, which is very jungle type. Yeah, of course, it was from the fairgrounds update. I have an angelic propeller. You see, I really like this because like your pets when you fly, the wings have like this glow thing. Yeah, the pink one. I really like that. As this airplane propeller. Oh my god, the game is glitching. Okay, this is not as nice, and I mean it's okay. I have a lemonade stand. This is very helpful, guys. You could just sell lemonade to other people, and yeah, you could make money. You just set the price, and I'm alone. Why am I doing this? Okay. And my best toy, I think so. My best toy is definitely gonna be the marsh balloon, and it's super cute. It's super nice. Like, this is actually worth a evil unicorn, guys. Like, evil unicorn for a marsh balloon. You're kidding me? Like, wow, this is worth a lot. One of my friends told me that, and she said that she was not really getting a good offer, and so I offered her. Okay, long story short. Never mind. Okay, yeah, so this is worth a evil unicorn. This is definitely like my best toy. Okay, let's scroll down because I don't have the best vehicles. I have roller skates. Yeah, these are nice. I love roller skates. They're like super easy. You could just skate around. Never mind. I know why do I have so many bikes? I never bought them. Oh, I got them from trade. I think so. Yeah. Oh, we have motorcycles. We have the tiny convertibles. And what? How did I get these? The white one I remember. The clown unicycle. We have two normal cars. I got these from trade, and both of them are pretty much the same color. Yeah, they are actually. We have a sled. Ooh, I love this. Oh, it's super fast. Ooh. Okay. We have a lot of these pizza unicycles. We have a human bubble. I just don't like it because I just cannot control it. Like, see, it's going like that. Okay. Okay. Never mind. I just crashed myself. And from the gift refresh, we have these. Oops, what just happened? These fat tire unicycles. Oh, come on. Why does this always happen to me? Oh, come on. Never mind, I guess. And yeah, we have these fat tire. I have some butterfly roller skates. I have a lot of them because of the box. I wanted that, and I opened a lot of massive gifts, so I got this. The good vehicles now. I have the lunar muscle car, which is like 2,000 bucks when it. I don't know the event time. I have the clown car. I trade for my flower car and a few lunar oxes. Yeah, I think it's very rare and nice. It's a collector's item. I think so. I'm not sure. Yeah, I have the witch's caravan, which is the fastest vehicle in Dock Me Golf, guys. So, oh, why do I always crash? Like, why? I need an explanation. I just cannot. Oh my god, it's so fast. It's so easy to crash. I also got this one from trade because my login streak. I will show it to you guys anyway. I'm close to the frostbite raffle. I have 229 stars, and I will get it tomorrow, most likely. Super fast, and we have the Tiffany. It's very nice. It looks more cooler on the picture, definitely. We have a SUV, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, it's a legendary vehicle. I don't know why, but yeah. We have the Royal Carriage. It's really nice. I love it. It's very fancy. It matches perfectly with bees, I think so, yeah. We have the Pumpkin Carriage, which is from Halloween 2019. It is very nice. I love it. Okay. Let me just take down my lemonade stand. It's annoying me. Okay, yeah. So we have that, and we have the hover car, which is from the gifts of trade, like the gift refresh. I managed to get it from a trade because I'm super unlucky with gifts. That's why I have so many of these. Yeah, I have literally have no gift left. And I traded a train and a Luna Rocks for it. I have a hoverboard, which is the old gifts. Yeah, I got money. Okay, never mind. I hate the hoverboard glitch. It is. This is a very fast vehicle too. I have the Douglas. I think that's how I pronounce it. Yeah, it's very sporty car. Yeah, and it's really fast too. Definitely. And yeah, now let's move on to the food. Food I don't have a lot. I just have watermelon, popcorn, pizza, sandwich. Legendary. Mega neon sandwich. Okay, yeah, let me just. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Okay, now two strollers. We have the default stroller because that's the most special one. Just kidding. We have this pink stroller. I like the fact that how it looks on the picture. It's like very glowy and stuff. Yeah. I don't make any sense for Naaman. We have the droplet stroller, which is all available in the baby shop. We have the car stroller, which is in purple because I think it looks cool. We have the high heel stroller, which is from the gift refresh. Another one of those. We have a few great strollers, which everyone pretty much knows about. Oh, it's morning, I love morning. And we have the catapult stroller. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah, this is really cool too. We have two of these. I also have this. What do you call this? Hot air balloon stroller. It's cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think I have the rainbow stroller. I love the okay. I love the rainbows that it leaves a rainbow trail behind. I think it's super nice and I just love it like that. It is the most expensive item in the baby stroller, like 2,000 bucks, and that's all. The best stroller I probably have is the popsicle stroller. I really like it and I think it's really nice and colorful and can hold up to two pets at a time. Now to pet wear. Pet wear, I mean, not that special. I have this white bow tie. I have some tusks. Um, trans white. What do you call this? Yeah, the pins, the red butterfly, sky sea goggles, red bow, pink sneakers, and these she's where did I get the pink bandana from? Most of the things I don't even know. I have the cute circle glasses, which are one of my personal favorites because they're like, super nice. I love this one. It's my favorite. Blue cap, blue backpacks, some sneakers, more pins and cozy hoodie, some sunglasses, chef hat, cherry earrings, and yeah, like that. I really like this designer backpack. I traded a Luna Rocks for it, and it's been out of game, so I think I did a pretty good trade. And we have this, the weavings. Let me just do that. Oopsie, guys. Now it's time for the. Okay, let me just go down. It's time for the best. Okay, I mean, we'll of course start from downwards. I have an otter. I have a ground sloth, and I'm like this. These are ugly. I don't know why. I told you guys in the last video too. I have a neon dog. His name is Pluto. Her name is I don't know. Well, okay, yeah. We have two dogs. We have six, seven cats. I'm making neon, but I'm too lazy to. Yeah, so we have five buffaloes. A bandicoot, triceratops, five pumas, a snowcat, a glyptodon, a fennec fox, chocolate labrador, a bat, a snow puma, a cookie, which is my reindeer. I named her Cookie because she's super cute and like you guys can see. And let me just teleport to this and show you guys one thing. Whenever you fly it, I love the fact that it's super cute. Like, no, oh, come on, load. Oh, not again. I hate when this happens, guys. I hate this glitch. Okay, now. Yeah, so I love the fact when it flies, it doesn't have any wings. It's just like its little tail wiggling and it's super cute. It's like the little reindeer. Okay, now let's go down. Okay, and now we have my. Where's my. Okay, we have two rabbits, a pterodactyl, and my neon snow. Probably her name is Snowy. Okay, one of my favorite pets. Where is she? Okay, yeah. It looks so cute when you ride it. Right now, not because the game is loading. Okay, she's her. I have a bunch of foxes. I'm about making mega guys. How many do I have? 8, 16, 17, 8, 9, 20, and I even traded two of them. Like I gave them away so much to random people that I could make actually two megas. I have a monkey, neon monkey. Where is it? Come on. Okay, I have Miss Monkey. Where's that name? I don't like it. Okay, the monkey. I have a rabbit, a beaver, a toucan from I don't know where I got it from. Most of the things I literally have no clue how I got it from. A Shiba Inu. And same with the Lunar Rocks. I'm also making a mega of them. Yeah. I have four of these ladybugs. I'm also making a neon. I'm so lazy. I have a koala, two ginger cats. I'm thinking of making a neon. I don't know. I have a frog. I have a flying albino bat. I don't know why this kind of looks funny. When you write, it's like, oh, okay. It's funny. I think so. I have a neon unicorn, which is one of my best pets. I mean, yeah, I think my second best pet, maybe. Yeah, it's super nice and I love her. She's my first neon legendary. She was actually. I have a rideable T Rex. Where is she? Her name is Lola. She has the little bow. Where's her bow? I'm offended. Show her bow to me. Okay, that's better. She has her little bow. And we have a metal ox. I know I have. Where did I got it from? Oh, yeah, my friend gave it to me. I remember. because I traded all my medlocks. I know I have a guardian lion, a Redable golden dragon. I traded for my Redable golden griffin. That person was so happy, and I was just like, okay, I'm super happy. I have my neon dragon. I named her Ruby because why not? She's like flame. Oh, also, guys, I wanted to tell you guys one more important thing. Let me just scroll down. Today I did a trade. Where's that? Where's the trade? I cannot find it. Yeah, this trade. I traded. Let me show it to you guys. I traded my fly red cow for these things. A neon dragon is like a very good trade. For a cow, I missed her, but yeah, I did. And lastly, my best pet is I'm sure you guys know, a neon frost fury. So yeah, that's my best pet. Please load. Yeah, Frosty, the frost fury. I love her. She's the best. Like, also one more thing I wanted to tell you, that if you have offers from any on Frost Fury, comment down below. What I'm actually looking for her is a Frost Dragon. If you have a Bat Dragon or Giraffe or Shadow Dragon, I'm gonna add like a lot. I will add my Neon Dragon, Legendary Pets. You can just specifically tell me what to add, okay, in my inventory. So yeah, guys, this was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell. Until then, yes, I would like to give a shout out to some people and my friends for helping me out in this video. You guys know that I'm a collector, so I like to trade rare stuff. So yeah. Shout out to Ninus201, Kaylee Rose 63772, Tina12341, Ellie 176, Lolobby52, Toshava underscore 12. She know guys, she's my best friend. So yeah, thank you for everything. Puppy P1381. And this is my friend Weekend Aisha. And this is a YouTube channel Gamer Wolves. So make sure to subscribe to that. And to my friend Mika6512 and my friend Chicken Whisper and Whisper 10.